Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. My name is Leonel Jr. Bulano and we're going to unbox a Marshall headset. Stay tuned. So this is a Marshall Major 3 Bluetooth headset. It has a 30 hours of wireless playtime. Yeah, so let's open it up. Wow. Check it out. It's a leather headphone. So I was looking for the accessories. The accessories was here. Yeah. Cables and USB adapter for charging. So balikin natin. Technical specifications. It has a battery playtime of 30 hours at medium volume and a charging time of 3 hours from 0 to full recharge. Physical unit is collapsible. It weighs at around 178 grams. It has a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. It has also a microphone included. It has a control knob, a Bluetooth range of 10 meters, and it has a lovely classic color black with its name engraved on its sides. And disclaimer, this is not a sponsored product. The audio is rich. Ang problem lang niya is there's only one control button for everything, for the power, for the next, or for the back, for the fast forward, for the volume up and volume down. This is the only button that you're going to use. So aside from using this one, you can use your mobile phone for easy access, But the thing is, it would be better if there is at least volume up or volume down. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like our video and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again. Bye.
Dapat mga Italian yung babay. Ciao.
Ciao.
Kunjabo. Mga ganon.